The iPhone 17 has been out for about a year now, so I figured out this is going to be a great time to go back and take a look at it and see how it's held up. On paper, the 17 Pro has got the A19 Pro Chip with 12 gigs of RAM and finally a vapor chamber. Kicking things out with hardware, and first I wanted to talk about the new aluminum design. Despite being great at conducting heat out, but pretty much everyone has managed to get a scratch or two in there, especially right around the camera bar. Speaking of cameras though, and the fact that all three cameras are now 48 megapixels, and thanks to a more advanced and improved image processing, and this of course applies to both the 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max, these iPhones are starting to be overpowered in terms of camera. Speaking of power and performance, as intended, the A19 chip is a faster chip, a more efficient one, more intelligent, and can handle Siri AI very well, as we of course seen in the first two betas of iOS 27. Another thing that it's very capable of handling and managing has to be the battery. Despite only having a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, but it can still pull out a 12 hours plus of screen on time. Moderate use, of course. Another aspect in which this phone excels has to be the display. It is a 6.3 inches Super Retina AMOLED panel, which has gotten a peak brightness bump all the way up to 3000 nits, which is crazy. The anti-reflective coating is great, but not on Samsung's level, unfortunately. What I would say though is animations on the last two betas we've had of the iOS 27 look just amazing and seamless and responsive, you know? It is a true flagship panel that has all the pro features for a flagship device. And speaking of pro features, we now have in the iOS 27 beta 1 and 2 the Siri AI. Apple is finally gonna give us a great AI assistant experience, thanks to them working now with Gemini. Now, personally, I didn't get to use Siri AI just yet, but from what I saw, it is very capable and can do something. Oh, and I forgot to mention one thing, is that the Pro and Advanced features are only going to be working on the Pro models and the Air, not on the base model. And I wonder what that means for the iPhone 16 series, which is literally made or built for AI. So would you say it's worth upgrading for the 17 Pro, or just stick around and wait for the 18 Pro that's going to be releasing a few months from now? But me, I think sticking around for the 18 Pro is going to be better overall.